A birthday surprise!
Oh no! My hero! Bravo, my son.
A hero, huh? What do you got, you monk? Or is your ball over there? Let's take a look, shall we? Ah, here it is! No, there is no need for a thank you, Yumok. Come on, catch it now! That's it! I'm a hero!
Aye! Please help!
Huh?
That was great, Mutlu. I think Minnie's boots have some sort of problem.
You came right on time, Mutlu! Thank you so much!
Now, where did I put my coffee? Maybe I'll brew another one.
It's on the table, right next to the van, Dad.
Ah, my hero son.
But of course, I'm a hero. You know, I've got a mission, Mom.
So I finished this and now... What? Does that say 25? It is! Today is the 25th! It's my dad's birthday. How did I forget it? Think my dad noticed? Where is he? Oh, I don't think he's noticed. He's drinking his coffee as he always does, and he'll read his morning newspaper. What? The newspaper? He'll know what day it is when he looks at the newspaper and remembers it's his birthday today. I'll never be able to plan a surprise for him. I just don't know what to do. If I can take the newspaper unnoticed, he won't see what day it is today. Only Mutlu can do that. Mutlu! Hey, where are you? I need your help more than ever. Mutlu, are you in there? Mutlu? Ooh.
Need help?
Mutlu, did you become a superhero? I can't believe it. You have the perfect timing, Mutlu.
I've been up this whole time. I'm just waiting on you, Muck.
The day, because today is Dad's birthday, but he's going to read the newspaper soon. And I don't want him to see the date because then he'll remember.
I've got that, no problem. That newspaper will be taken before Dad has a chance to read it. I need to go now. Duty calls for the hero. Fly, fly!
You're amazing. Okay, I need to talk to Mom about the birthday cake.
Fly, fly, Super Mutlu! I can't believe it. Wow, I actually flew!
Are you okay, Mutlu? It looked like you fell.
No, I was flying. Newspapers!
Oh dear, I think he hit his head really hard.
I think you need to lie down.
Wait, let me go. Don't stop the hero. I'm on an undercover mission.
A mission?
Mommy!
What is it, dear?
Today is the 25th, and it's Dad's birthday.
Oh, how did we forget? I wanted to surprise your dad this year. Do you think that he noticed?
Don't worry, Mommy. I've got a plan. Mutlu will take the newspaper before Dad reads it. So he won't see today's date and remember that he forgot.
Uh-huh. Then we can plan a surprise for him after all. Yes, he definitely shouldn't see the date.
We need to hide these right away as well.
None of this will do.
The kitchen's gotten so hot. What do we do?
Wait, I better take care of the cake.
We need your help.
Of course, Manny. What's the problem?
One of my boots is not functioning. I think the heel's coming off. You think you can fix it?
Mutlu, what are you doing?
Every hero has a mysterious side, Dad. Fly, fly!
Did you take care of that?
Super Mutlu has accomplished a dangerous task once again. There was never any doubt. The evilness has been vanquished.
You are a real hero, Super Mutlu. Mom already should have ordered a cake from the bakery. I'm going to call Zuzu now. She can pick it up on the way. Dad wouldn't suspect her of anything.
Neşe, dear, don't forget Dad's phone. It's in his study. He can see the date on it as well.
Ah, yes, his phone. This is just a task for Super Mutlu. I'll handle it, Mom. Fly, fly!
Mutlu?
All right, Mutlu. When you pick up the cake, come here immediately. And then we can sneak you in and...
Oh, goodness! Did Neşe fall too?
Sure, that'll work. Can you check that homework? It's absolutely crucial you do. When you get here, we'll do it, okay?
Neşe, can you give me the phone? I need to call the market. They sent me a torn up newspaper.
Please, Dad, I'm talking with Zuzu about our homework. This is about my future.
Okay, I'll call him for my cell phone then.
Wait, your cell phone?
Super Mutlu flies here and everywhere to achieve the impossible.
Ah, dear Mutlu, you are the best. I was looking for that phone. I need to call the store. Look here, they sent me over a torn up newspaper.
Super Mutlu will call him for you, Dad.
Hello?
Mr. Grocer, you sent me a torn up newspaper. I want a new one right away, stat.
No way, sir. My newspapers are A-OK. Which part of it is torn?
The place where the logo is.
Come on. It's not important. There's nothing written there.
Of course there is, sir. Maybe I want to see the date.
Mr. Kanan, are you saying that you don't know the date? Don't you have a calendar? I suggest checking it.
Oh, of course I do. I have one on my desk.
Go ahead and check it. Whatever. I'll still bring over another one.
That man's made fun of me again. I, of course, know today's date. I would know if I wanted to. I'll go check on that.
Oh, it fell down. Anyway, your calendar is here, Daddy.
Today's,
That was really close, huh?
Sure was. Absolutely. Oh dear, we didn't buy a present.
I have a super duper idea.
I'm sure there's another calendar around here. Maybe not. I also couldn't find the laptop. What was today's date? Mutlu had the phone. It's best I find him, huh? Where on earth is Mutlu? Oh, whatever. Maybe the grocer decided to bring over that newspaper. Where's the newspaper, Mr. Grocer?
I gave it to Zuzu. She was supposed to come to you. I was hoping to hear your new jokes. They're hysterical. What happened? You still don't know the date? Well, I'll tell you. Today's date is Thursday.
Oh, come on. He's really making fun of me a lot now. These look like newspaper pieces. Wait a sec. No, it's not. I think maybe over here. No, that doesn't go there.
Looking for this, my darling?
Yes, today's the 25th, but that means...
That's right, Daddy. Today is your birthday.
Happy
birthday! And we also have an awesome present for you.
A present? Are we really going up there, you guys?
Happy birthday, astronaut!
I can't believe this!
This present was such a great idea, Mutlu. You really did save the day.
No, lady, not Mutlu, Super Mutlu.
Hello. You're wondering why I'm waiting here, right? A very interesting thing happened last week. There is a huge green forest near our house. My dad decided to teach us how to be scouts, and we all put on our scout pads and went to the forest. My dad told us how the scouts know nature, protect it, and their duties. We learned scouts need to keep nature clean. There were other things that he would have told us, but we, of course, couldn't wait for him when we arrived. Hey!
My young scouts wanted to discover the forest as soon as possible.
I just wish they would have helped me set the table first.
Well, I'm here, dear. I'll help you myself. I'll show you how the scouts set the table fast, you betcha.
Wonderful! Isn't it so nice that we have a beautiful forest so close to home?
My mom cooked all these delicious walnut cookies for all of us.
Cookies for me?
Come on, let's sit over here so everyone can eat one.
And don't worry, there are enough cookies for everyone.
They just look so delicious. Let's take 2 of them to Mom and Dad.
I really like your thinking. I'll take them cookies now.
Oh, what happened here? Was there a wind deer?
No, dear. The weather will be perfect today. You do know that the scouts can predict the weather. Let me see. That's right. No, it won't rain as well.
My mom cooked these delicious cookies for this trip. I brought these for you.
Thank you so much, Zuzu.
Delicious cookies? I love them.
But this is so tasty. Why don't my cookies and cakes taste like this?
That's not right. They're so tasty. Don't you remember how the kids loved the cake the other day? You are a great cook.
You made that tasty cake. Did you forget?
You're right. Oh, anyway, let me go tell my scouts all about the trees.
What happened? Have you lost something?
I put my controller here, but it's not here.
I tell you, my cookie was right here on my napkin, but it's not here.
I think you ate it and then forgot you did.
Did I really eat it? It was delicious, right? I remember something like that.
I loved it. I think you must have loved it as well.
Yes, my young scouts, gather round, gather round. We will now learn about the trees in the forest. Follow me. Let's see which tree this is.
Aw, this one is toppled as well. There are broken pieces and footprints going this way.
Is it walnut? No, this is another tree. Guess what tree this is? But there used to be a walnut tree here, I remember it. Let's look over there.
It tasted so delicious. It most definitely was.
Where is Zuzu going, you guys?
I really loved it, right, sis? Hey, sis. Hey, sis, please wait for me. So, was there walnut in it?
Where is everyone going, Manny?
Maybe it's about the controller. Come on, let's follow behind them.
Zuzu, where are you?
Be quiet, Neşe. There's something here.
Hey, sis, what was inside the cookie?
Keep quiet. We found something.
Okay, but what?
Shh.
In the bush. Hold on. Was there bush in the cookie? Sis?
What happened?
Shh. There was bush in the cookie. You can come as well.
What?
What did he say? Shh.
The controller. It has something to do. It'll come back on Sunday.
But I needed it, though.
Shh. Come on, come.
Okay, guys, let's learn about the trees on this side.
Hey, look over here.
Ah, that's my controller.
Ah, you have very strange plants in this world.
That's just garbage. So,
What happened here, everyone?
So it looks like the squirrels took the controller.
But this is an old walnut tree. Why do they take from us instead of eating from it?
I wish we could find out what their problem is.
I'll ask them. What can you tell us about this tree? This old tree doesn't give walnuts for a long time, and they don't know the reason. Let me ask the tree. This walnut tree is a very old one. It's been here for 200 years. Actually, people used to treat it very nice and respectfully. But people who have come here lately made too much noise and left all of their garbage everywhere when they left. Then it got sad and stopped giving out fruit.
Maybe it'll be happy if we pick up the trash around it.
Absolutely! We need to show all the love we have to this tree.
Aha, look here, it's a walnut tree. I told you that there was one here, you guys. But when did all of you find...
Oh, what a shame people left their garbage here. We've known this tree for years, right, darling? Look what they've done to it.
We got so upset as well and decided to clean the garbage, Mommy.
Bravo, my tiny scouts. There are garbage bags in the van. Let's put every bit of trash in them.
I'll bring the bags, Daddy.
Well, it looks like it's cleaning time.
I wish all the places were clean. Wish our world would be clean. How great that would be. We shouldn't make our world dirty. Forest, animals, seas, people. They are so beautiful. Just imagine living in a fresh, clean world together. How nice is life together when our earth is clean? The flowers are lovely on the trees and the birds too. All we want is the whole world to be happy and clean. We should never make our beautiful world dirty again.
picked up.
Maybe I'm not good at cakes and cookies, but my
Do not leave
handwriting
garbage
is
here,
nice.
forest residents.
And we, the scouts, protected the old walnut tree, the squirrels, and the forest. Then, something wonderful happened yesterday morning. Maybe it'll happen again and you'll see it too.
What is that there, sis?
Be quiet, Mutlu. Look,